Let's learn basket stitch. For basket stitch, we will work with standing and sleeping lines. First, we will do straight stitches on all the standing lines. The tighter these straight stitches are, the better your basket stitch will look. So make sure all your straight stitches are tight. If even a few of them are loose, your basket stitch will look unfinished. That's why I make sure to pull all the threads very tight. You can use this stitch for basket sweaters, flower centers, or anywhere you want a checkered look. Once all your standing lines are set, now we'll do the sleeping lines. For sleeping lines, we will bring our needle up from the first row and weave the thread over and under the standing stitches. Alternately, you have to carefully go over and under each standing stitch. Watch this process closely. While doing it, make sure to go slow and not skip any standing line, because if you miss even one your basket, stitch pattern will look off. Once one sleeping line is complete, put the needle down, then bring it up again from the next line. Watch carefully. You will be weaving alternately, but make sure to reverse the order in the next row. If you observe it properly and trace it well, you will understand exactly what I am doing. First, watch carefully and try it. Then it will become very easy for you. Continue doing it like this until the entire shape is filled. Now our second sleeping line is done. We'll adjust the threads a bit with the needle and tuck it in. Now we'll do the third sleeping line, which will alternate with the previous one. Just keep following this process and fill the whole shape. And remember, it's okay to make mistakes, because the more you make them, the better you'll learn. So I am finishing my last sleeping line here. Enjoy the process. Happy embroidery!